Thinking about starting a YouTube channel? Well, let me be real with you. It's not as easy as it looks. The hardest part isn't just about facing the camera, it's about putting all your effort, your energy into that video and finally pressing publish and you get 0 views. You barely get a view or any subscriber or even a comment. I know how that feels. It feels so frustrating to post a video and no even a single hit, a single like or comment. That is the hardest part of it all. And that alone will make you want to quit. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is APRV, and in this video I'm going to be telling you exactly what you need to know before starting YouTube 2025. So before you start your YouTube channel, here are 3 things you need to understand before you get started. Number 1, you won't blow up overnight. Growth takes time, consistency, and patience. So the focus here is to improve your content. The content that you are creating, make sure you are creating a quality content and not just chasing views. And that brings us to number 2. Your first video will not be perfect, and that is totally okay. That is okay. Just don't overthink it. All you need to do is to just get started. Get started, and over time you will get to improve the quality of your video. Number 3, and the final of it all. See, let me tell you something. YouTube is a long game, and it rewards creators who keeps going, learning, and improving their content. Don't let low views discourage you from getting started, because this video now I'm going to post, I know that people will just go up and will not even watch or comment or even give a like. But I don't care. This will not discourage me from creating content. This will not discourage me from stopping or quitting YouTube now or tomorrow. I am here, so you better watch this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment, share your thoughts under the comment section, because I just got started and I'm not quitting. I will not let low views discourage me from getting started. Okay, so please be encouraged, don't be discouraged. So if you are serious about starting a YouTube channel, remind yourself that everyone started with 0 views, 0 subscribers, and the difference between the one who quit and the one who succeeded was the one who succeeded never quit. They kept going, they kept creating more content to improve, but the one who quit focused only on the views and the subscribers. That will discourage you from even getting started. So if you have 0 views, that is normal. Everyone started from 0 subscribers, from 0 to hero. So we are all here, and it's time for you to get started. Stop watching content all day, all night. You are lying in bed right now watching content, scrolling up and down, laughing. But it's time for you to get up and also get started. Right? Your first video will not be perfect, like I said, it will not be perfect. But you'll get to improve your video, the quality of video over time. So it's normal. Every YouTuber started just like I am doing right now. Right? So get up and get going. Okay, so that is my words of motivation to you today. Now I want to hear from you. So let me ask you, have you started your YouTube channel yet? Okay, tell me in the comments how many subscribers you have now, and let's support each other below. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss my next video. See you soon. Bye bye.